Hey, everyone! Welcome back to RsN Hospitality. We create videos about the hospitality industry, sharing tips and insights to help you succeed. Today, we're talking about what you need to know before joining the hospitality industry. Let's dive in. The hospitality industry is vast and dynamic, offering a wide range of career opportunities. Whether you're interested in working in a hotel, restaurant, resort, or event planning, there's something for everyone. But before you jump in, here are some key things to consider. First up, let's talk about the skills you'll need. Excellent customer service is a must. You'll be interacting with guests daily, so being friendly, approachable, and able to handle inquiries and complaints effectively is crucial. Teamwork is another essential skill. You'll often be working with colleagues to provide the best service possible. Good communication and the ability to adapt to different situations are also important, as the hospitality environment can be fast-paced and unpredictable. Now, let's talk about the benefits. Working in hospitality gives you the chance to meet people from diverse backgrounds and cultures. There are also plenty of opportunities for career growth and creativity, whether you're planning events, designing menus, or improving customer experiences. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Be prepared for long hours, including evenings, weekends, and holidays. The job can be physically demanding and stressful, especially during peak times. If you're serious about a career in hospitality, consider pursuing relevant education or training programs. Many institutions offer courses in hospitality management, culinary arts, and customer service. And don't forget to network. Building a strong professional network can help you find job opportunities and advance your career. The hospitality industry is constantly evolving, so stay informed about the latest trends and technologies. If you have any questions or need more advice, drop a comment below or reach out to me on social media. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and insights on the hospitality industry. See you next time!